we built a motion alarm using a PIR sensor and buzzer. But what if we also want to see message or sensor values displayed in real time? In this video, I'll show you how to use a 16:2 LCD with Arduino to display both text and sensor readings. So let's have component overview. The new component we are adding today is the 16:2 LCD display. As the name suggests, it has 16 columns and 2 rows, which means we can display 2 lines of text. To control the display, we use the liquid crystal library in Arduino. We also use a 10K potentiometer to adjust the contrast of the display so the characters are clearly visible. Along with this, we'll use our sensor. For example, PIR sensor and the Arduino Uno as the main control. Now, let's see the wiring of LCD. Let's wire the LCD step by step. First, we'll connect the ground to VSS and VD to 5V and VO pin to the middle of the potentiometer and the two sides of the potentiometer to the 5V and the ground of the Arduino board. RS connects to the pin 12 and read and write goes to ground and E connect to the pin 11 on the Arduino. For the data pins like D4, D5, D6 and D7, we connect with the pins of 5, 4, 3, 2 on the Arduino. We'll also finally connect the backlight pins A and K to the 5V and ground respectively. Now the LCD is ready and we'll also connect a sensor as I said in previously. Connect out to the pin 9, VCC to 5V and ground to ground.